subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from News Catch Up.
Hello, this is a coronavirus update. India's cases of the novel coronavirus rose by 3,320 to 59,662. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray dismissed speculation that the Indian Army will be deployed in Mumbai as the COVID-19 situation in the metropolis worsens. The Chief Minister, however, admitted that the chain of COVID-19 transmission in the state had not been broken yet. The state has reported over 19,000 cases and 731 deaths so far. Home Minister Amit Shah wrote to the West Bengal government about it not allowing in trains carrying migrant workers. Shah called this an injustice to workers from Bengal who want to return home. The Central Board of Secondary Education announced that it will hold the remaining examination for Class 10 and Class 12 from July 1 to July 15. The exam had to be abruptly postponed in March due to nationwide lockdown to combat the coronavirus outbreak. Globally, the coronavirus has affected 39.37 lakh people and claimed 2.76 lakh lives, according to the Johns Hopkins University tracker. United States is working to temporarily ban the issuance of some work-based visas like H-1B and as well as student visas and work authorization that accompanies them amid high level of unemployment in the country. Unemployment rate in United States risen to 14.7% with 20.5 million jobs lost in April. The rise means the jobless rate is now worse than any time since the Great Depression of 1930s. United States prevents a vote in the United Nations Security Council on a resolution calling for a ceasefire in various countries around the world. United States President Donald Trump said the spread of the coronavirus globally was neither a terrible mistake on part of China or it was incompetence. That's it. You were listening to News Catcher. Keep listening and subscribe for more.